In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram account temporarily locked. So if your account says that it has been temporarily locked, it might seem that way because some suspicious activity on your Instagram account is seen by the algorithm of Instagram. Now, this is triggered because of some third-party apps such as making you have more followers or apps that lets you gain more likes. So if you have that app on your phone, you just have to delete that and then you just have to hit continue. This might also happen when you try and attempt to open your Instagram account continuously with incorrect password. So all you have to do to be able to unlock your Instagram is to hit that continue. However, if you don't have this continue button right here, all you have to do is to go to your Chrome or your Safari and then type in Instagram Help Center. Now that you're on Instagram Help Center, you just have to go for disabled Instagram account and read the instruction Instagram has laid upon us. However, it's not very helpful because it won't let you gain access to your account. So you just have to type in no and then reason out that the solution doesn't really work. So the next thing to do is for you to appeal to Instagram, tell them how you locked your account and how you want it back. So you can just state your reasons why you think they should unlock you from being locked on Instagram. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.